Hi, I just wanted to do a quick video. We've sent these out today, the 12th, so they should be coming to you 13th or 14th. They're by first class post. I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you how simple they are to fit. Just leave the spindle locked up where it is. Remove the lock nut and the original plate. Just back off these, form an Allen key, back them off a couple of turns. 30mm socket or spanner on the end. Screw it in. You might need to give it a bit of a wobble to get it in. And then just give it a quick nip just to seat it. And then lock up the two screws. Snip these up. Done.